Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Craft and Notion, very popular productivity tools that people use for notes, planning, writing, and organizing their work. If you've ever wondered which one is actually better for productivity, or which tool fits your personal or work style, this video will walk you through everything you need to know: what they are, what they're best at, their features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and finally, which one makes more sense depending on how you work. Craft is primarily a document-focused productivity app. It's designed to make writing, note-taking, and organizing ideas feel fast, clean, and enjoyable. Everything inside Craft is built around beautiful documents, smooth interface, and a distraction-free experience. Craft feels very polished and native, especially on desktop and mobile. It works incredibly well offline, and syncing happens automatically once you're back online. The idea behind Craft is simple: to help you think clearly and write better without getting in your way. Notion, on the other hand, is an all-in-one workspace. It combines notes, tasks, databases, project management, wikis, calendars, and collaboration tools into a single platform. Notion is extremely flexible. You can build dashboards, track projects, manage teams, organize content, and create complex systems tailored exactly to how you work. But that flexibility also means Notion can feel overwhelming at first. So right away, the key difference is that Craft focuses on simplicity and writing, while Notion focuses on flexibility and systems. Let us talk about the main features of both platforms. Writing and note-taking experience. Well, this is where Craft really shines. Craft offers a clean, distraction-free writing experience, and documents look polished by default with beautiful formatting, spacing, and typography. You don't need to tweak much, everything already looks presentable. Writing in Craft feels fast and natural, especially if you're someone who values flow and focus. Well, Notion supports writing as well, but it uses a block-based system where every paragraph, heading, or list is treated as an individual block. So this gives you a lot of control, but it can feel less fluid when you just want to write without thinking about structure. If your priority is writing and note clarity, Craft has the edge. But if your priority is structuring content inside larger systems, then Notion wins. How about the organization and structure? Craft uses a simple hierarchy of pages, folders, and collections. It's easy to understand and keeps things clean, but it doesn't go very deep. Well, Notion takes organization to another level with databases. You can create tables, boards, calendars, timelines, and lists, all connected together. This allows you to track tasks, goals, projects, clients, or content in powerful ways. Let's talk about task management. Craft allows you to add tasks directly inside documents, which works well for personal productivity and lightweight planning. It's simple and effective, but not designed for complex project tracking. On the other hand, Notion's task management is far more advanced. Tasks can live inside databases, they can be filtered, assigned, tracked by status, deadlines, priorities, or even connected to other projects or people. So if task and project tracking are central to your workflow, Notion is really stronger here. How about collaboration? Both tools support collaboration, but they target different audiences. Craft supports real-time collaboration and sharing, making it great for small teams or shared documents. However, collaboration features are fairly basic. But Notion is built with teams in mind. It supports roles, permissions, shared workspaces, comments, and workflows designed for multiple users who are working together. Next is offline access and performance. This is one of Craft's biggest strengths. Craft works fully online. You can open, edit, search, and create documents without internet access, and everything syncs once you're back online. Notion does offer limited offline access, but it's not as reliable, especially when working with databases or embedded content. If you travel a lot or you work without consistent internet, then Craft is the clear winner. How about the AI features? Craft includes AI features directly within its plans. You can use AI to help rewrite text, to summarize notes, to generate ideas, or to clean up documents. Notion also has AI features, but they're typically offered as a separate paid add-on. Notion AI is powerful, especially when working with databases or meeting notes, but it increases the overall cost. Now, what is the pricing like? For crafts, there's a free plan, which is the starter plan at $0, and there is a plus plan at $8 per month. One account, full featured, no content limit. There's also a family plan at $15 per month, and all of these subscriptions are based on paying annually. If you want to pay monthly, the prices go up. How about Notion? Notion also has a free plan at $0, a plus plan at $10 per member per month, a business plan at $20 per member per month, and an enterprise plan. These are all yearly or annual subscriptions. If you decide to pay monthly, the prices go up. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using both platforms. We start with the pros. For craft, it is beautiful and has a distraction-free writing experience. It has excellent offline support and fast and smooth performance. And the pros of Notion, extremely flexible and customizable. It has powerful databases and project tracking. It is also excellent for teams and collaboration. And the cons? For crafts, it has limited advanced task management and there are no complex databases. It is less suitable for large teams. And the cons of Notion? It has a steep learning curve and it can feel overwhelming. So which one is actually better? Well, the honest answer is it depends on how you work. In simple terms, craft is about clarity and flow, while Notion is about power and control. Neither is objectively better, they're just built for different types of users. And that's it on the comparison of craft and Notion. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Obsidian, Evernote, and ClickUp. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.